You see that thing where you define, now him go kill you. If you no leave him, him go leave you. Hi everyone, this is Love and Relationship Talk with Grace. Always remember that love is everything. In this video, I want to talk about forgiving a cheating spouse. A pastor in one of the churches, which I will not mention the name of the church for security purpose, is deeply sinking in infidelity. He once said that even if his wife caught him red-handedly on top of a woman, she will forgive him. In fact, even if his wife finds out that he has a child outside the marriage, that she will still forgive him. And another man said that if he finds out that his wife is cheating on him, that same day, she should be ready to go back to her father's house. A lot of men said that they can never forgive a cheating wife, while other men said that they can forgive their cheating wife. Now, it is like this. I think if a married man happens to be dating a married woman, and the wife to that married man finds out, do you know that she will forgive him? She will definitely forgive her husband. In fact, she will not even allow the world or anybody to hear about it. She will forgive. But if the husband to that married woman finds out about the extramarital affair of his wife with another man, he might likely not forgive her. So why are women cheating? When we all know that the society where we live in encourages men to cheat. So many times men will do something instead of them calling them to order. Nobody will judge them. Nobody will say anything because they are men. And when a woman do the same thing, she will be judged. She will be criticized. In fact, she will be called names. When we all know that, they have accepted that men are wired that way in our society. So why are women still disturbing themselves? And the same men will be cheating. They will not satisfy their wives in the house, making this woman to be craving for that thing. So women, it's my candid advice to every woman now is that if you have a husband that does not know how to knock, and you are someone that likes knocking, it's very simple. Talk to him. Have a heart-to-heart talk. And if he refuses to listen, then instead of cheating, you can quit the marriage. Then you go out and start knocking the way you like. Even if you want to be doing it inside the gutter, even if you want to start doing it like a dog, you are free because you are no longer joined or bound by the rule of marriage anymore. And if you are the kind of woman also that your husband does not give you knacking, why now? Instead of cheating on him, can you eat your cake and have it? No. So instead, talk to him. That is why I said the communication is key to every relationship. When you communicate, then you relate heart to heart and you work things together. But I tell you, some men will not listen even when you talk to them. They will not change their ways. So if you have that kind of man and it is happening like that, and that thing is crashing you, it is better for you to do the needful. If you want to leave the marriage, live in peace. My sister, live in peace, not in pieces. Because the good name, the Bible says, is better than silver and gold. If you quit the relationship and you go out there, you begin to date men or you begin to knock the way you like, nobody will call you name. Nobody will say you be married woman will cheat on your husband. But if you did for your husband house and you cheat, they will bring you come social media if they find out. And I know that a lot of women are going through this. In fact, the ones that you see on the social media now small. Believe you me, the ones outside, they are more than the ones you see on the social media. Now, my question is, can a man forgive his cheating wife? The answer is yes. Capital yes. It is very possible for a man to sincerely forgive his cheating wife. But it can be a difficult and complex process. You know, they easy to forgive like that. To err, they say, is human, but to forgive is divine. So, if the man tell you, say, I forgive you, you know, they expect, say, kia, kia, forget them. You don't forget them that easily. You know, easy now. Even though now you the thing happen to, say you go fit forgive the man as easy as you think, say, him supposed to forgive you like that. But bear it in mind, that is very possible. It is not every man that will not forgive their cheating wife. A lot of men out there will definitely forgive their cheating wife. But it can be a difficult and complex process. Now, for so many men, infidelity is a serious breach of trust and can cause deep emotional pain and trauma to so many men. Forgiveness can be a powerful tool to help heal those wounds and can help him move forward in the relationship. Forgiveness often involves a process of acknowledging the hurt that was caused, okay? Expressing emotions such as anger and sadness. Oh, you did this. I'm going to do this. Oh, you cheated on me. For despite the fact that I've been married to you for so many years, we have kids together. Yes, yes. He would definitely express and working to rebuild trust and intimacy in the relationship. Now, this process may involve therapy or counseling and may also take time and effort from both partners. So, it is very, very important to note that forgiveness does not necessarily mean forgetting or excusing the infidelity. When you say I forgive, you don't mean say forget. Our people say the person will shit, he dey forget. But the person will pack the shit, he no dey forget. So don't ever expect him to forget. Just like that. In fact, sometimes it will be like a reminder to him. If he sees certain moves, you know, that this lady or this woman still they do corny for me, he go remind you. And so you do the other day now, why I catch you with this sleepy person. You go see do him again. Yes. You know they forget like that. Person wey shit, e dey forget. But person wey pack am, e no dey forget. It's as simple as that. Okay? That's why you should note that forgiveness no mean say he don't forget or he don't excuse that cheating when you cheat on him. Rather, it involves choosing to let go of the anger and resentment that can consume a person after being betrayed and moving towards a healthier and happier relationship. Now, ultimately, whether or not a man can forgive his cheating wife depends on the uniqueness of their relationship, the level of commitment and effort both partners are willing to put in, and the ability to rebuild trust and intimacy over time. So, woman, I want to advise you. You see that thing where you define, now him go kill you. If you no leave him, him go leave you. So, my beautiful and lovely women out there, a good name, the Bible says, is much, much better than silver and gold. So if you were tired of that marriage, if your husband is a type that doesn't fulfill his marital obligations to you as his wife. I am talking to the married women only, not to singles where they hide, they chop am, we go leave their father house, go knack, come back, they no know about it. As a married woman, if your husband is not fulfilling his marital obligations to you, or as a married woman, you feel your husband is not satisfying you, communication, like I always say, is the only key that can resolve all these issues. And if you communicate with him heart to heart, one on one, and things refuse to change, things remains the way they are, instead of thinking of an alternative that will spoil your name, that will soil the name of your family, why not you divorce him? Why don't you quietly and peacefully leave that relationship? I never hear for one say singlehood the key person on. I never hear say singlehood the nickname person or then the judge person because the person is single and in the knack. It is only the married ones. So if you're not satisfied or you're not actually getting what you want, you know what I mean. You understand what I mean. If you are not the type that is hyperactive when it comes to knacking, because some women are so hyperactive that, hey, their husband fit do 3 for nights, then you still want him to go another 3. You won't kill him. And you feel your husband is not satisfying you. Instead of cheating, thereby spoiling your name and the beautiful name of your family that they have taken time, so many years to build. Why not you live in peace instead of living in pieces? So when you leave the marriage, you have that opportunity to knack the way you like. If you like, go dey do am like dog. Nobody go talk. Even if you like, go do am inside gutter. Nobody go ask you question. If you like, hang yourself on top roof. They do. Nobody go ask you. But if you are still married and you involve in infidelity, don't expect people not to drag you. You will be dragged. So if na knacking dey hungry you, waka comot, go knack, go enjoy am. And person wey dey moderate go find a man and he go stay. No allow wetin no suppose kill you. No allow wetin no suppose comot you for your marriage, carry you comot. So thanks for watching. Follow my page for more. I have done videos of infidelity and how to deal with a cheating spouse. So if you want to see that video, hit the follow button and watch the full video in my page.